Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Zubair and in this video we will learn the difference between NTFS and share permissions in Windows Server 2022. We will create a shared folder and allow only users from a specific organizational unit to read and write files, but they won't be able to delete anything. So let's get started. Let's take a quick lab overview. I am using Windows Server 2022 with Active Directory already configured. My domain is server22.local and I have an organizational unit name restricted user. We will create a shared folder and give custom permissions only to users in that organizational unit. Before we move forward, let's understand what NTFS and share permissions are. NTFS stands for New Technology File System. These permissions are applied to files and folders stored on an NTFS formatted volume. They control access when a user logs in locally or over the network. You can allow or deny details actions like read, write, modify, delete. Share permissions apply only when the folder is accessed over the network. They are simpler, usually read, change, and full control. So let's talk about the difference between NTFS and share permissions. In this table, you can see the major differences between NTFS permission and share permissions. NTFS permission apply to local and network access, while the share permissions only apply to network access. The control level in NTFS permissions is very detailed and in share permission is basic. We set NTFS permissions in security tab and share permissions in sharing tab. Let's talk about priority. Most restrictive permissions apply when both are set. For example, if share permission is full control but NTFS permission is read, then the user will get read-only access because NTFS permission is more restrictive. Now first go to the desktop on your server, right click, click on new, select folder, name the folder. I name it test folder. Now right click on test folder, then click on properties, go to sharing tab, then click on advanced sharing, check the box share this folder, click on permissions, remove everyone, click on add, click on advanced, click on find now, select a user from the restricted user organizational unit, for example test user, click OK, click OK, and then give full control here. We will restrict later with NTFS. Click apply, click OK, again click on OK and click on close. Now right click the test folder again, go to properties, go to security, click on edit, click on add, click on advanced, click on find now and select the same user test user. Click OK, click OK, click OK. Now click on the test user, click on advanced, select the test user, click on edit, click on show advanced permissions and select the following permissions. Click on OK, click on apply, again click on OK, click on OK. This way the user can open and write files but cannot delete them. Now login from a client system using the user account from restricted users organizational unit. Now press Windows plus R. enter double backslash, your system name, again backslash, and the folder name. Click OK. Now try to create a new text file. It should work. Double click on it. Write anything you want within it. I write welcome to the Windows Server 22 beginner to Pro series. Click on File, click on Save, and close this text file. Now try to delete it. It should give access denied. Right click on it, click on Delete, click on Yes. You can see the message File access denied. You need permissions to perform this action from your administrator. If you want all domain users to access this folder, you can add the domain users group in both share and NTFS permissions and then apply the required access. So this is how you configured NTFS and share permissions in Windows Server 2022. Remember, share permissions control access over the network and NTFS permissions control access locally and offer more detailed control. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Windows Server tutorials. Thanks for watching. I am Zubair. See you in the next video.